God does is God gives you a commitment. Yeah, that God is committed to perform that which he promised you. And here is the clue. The clue is when God told Moses to raise his hand, there was something in his hand to raise. In other words, every Christian, every person in here, you have something in your hand. God never leaves anybody completely empty-handed. I mean, you do have something in your hand. I mean, you might not have what she has, and he might not have what she has, and you might not have what he has, but you got something in your hand. I mean, you got some type of talent, you got some type of knowledge, you got some type of gift, you got some type of ability, you got some type of proclivity. I mean, you have something in your hand. And God is saying, if you want me to do something, if you won't start nothing, then you won't be nothing. You got to raise your hand if you're sure.